Welcome to Exercising Well. What brought you here? Did you want to lose weight or improve your health or look better? For every reason there is to exercise, there is one at the heart of it all: to be well right now, in this moment and in the future. Being well is not just a state of your mind. It requires your whole person to be working together: your brain, your body, and your heart. But how often does exercise create tension between your mind and your body? When it makes you feel worse physically because you end up in more pain or get injured, or mentally because you worry about getting injured or staying motivated. It takes you away from being well and it adds to stress. Exercising well is the complete, yet very simple way to not only exercise, but also to know how to use it to be well right now in your whole person, and also confident in your future well-being too. I made sure it has everything you need, and it's very easy to access. It has a growing library of step-by-step exercise programs and videos located right on a personalized, easy-to-use online platform where you can keep track of what you're doing, you could message me directly, and so much more. But the big difference is that we have regular coaching sessions together. You know that you have an exercise professional and a health coach right by your side every step of the way. Exercising well is a whole new way to approach exercise for your whole person to be well right now.